Are you considering doing a cardiac MRI? If yes, watch this video to know all about it. A cardiac MRI lets your doctor get a closer and more detailed look at your heart. It enables doctors to look at the heart's chambers, valves, and blood vessels. Plus it is painless and completely non-invasive. One of the key advantages of cardiac MRI is it helps in diagnosing various heart conditions, such as congenital heart defects, coronary artery disease, heart muscle damage, and heart valve disorders. It helps guide treatment plans and monitor the effectiveness of interventions. During the test, you will lie on a table that slides into a tunnel-like scanner while the machine takes pictures of your heart. Since there is no use of harmful radiation, this test is safe for all ages, including pregnant women. Was this information helpful? Follow us for more health-related content.